Oh no, they will come again.
Yes, we came. Here we go again.
We are also waiting to hunt you guys.
Who is that? I think you don't know what is happening around.
We know what is happening in nation. To kill germs like you, Gulf Engineering has come up with a new product called as HVAC disinfectant system. This system will kill the germs that spread diseases in the air. It also completely purifies the air around us in a contained space.
Oh, is that so? We know how to attack you guys.
The system not only purifies the air but also purifies the cloths, tables, chairs and other materials as well in the contained space.
We know how to spread diseases for people like you who thrives in air-conditioned buildings.
You can't. Allergies that happens due to continuous exposure of AC like eye rash, sneezing, headache, tiredness and airborne diseases like cough, fever, sinus and other breathing problems can be completely prevented. It prevents from spread of COVID, H1N1, SARS in a contained space. This system completely cleans the cooling coil plates that are present in HVAC system, which will result in saving of energy up to 20%, and it also helps to lower maintenance cost of the duct and the HVAC system. This HVAC disinfectant system can be used in hospitals, cinema theaters, malls, schools, IT companies, star hotels, colleges, industries and stadiums. This is a DRDO developed product. This system is installed in important places like DRDO office, Delhi Metro, Delhi and Jammu Airport. This system is used in India and also exported to foreign countries.